Well, that's not bad. I'm telling you, 30 minutes. 30 minutes. And not only did I fit it, I just left the one. I cleaned my track with my Scotch-Brite. I don't know if you use Scotch-Brite or not, but boy, I do. It doesn't scratch really. It just scuffs it up, gets the dirt off easily. I cleaned all my pins and fitted it, and I've been ohming it out, and I have 0 ohms from here, from the two ends, unless this last piece of track is hosed, which I don't think it is. That would be a little weird. But I think this has been an exercise well worth doing. And on these pieces here, I was surprised because I learned that they actually slide right under there. This is so pliable, you just push down a little bit and you can push it over, and there's a piece in there that kind of grabs the underside and locks it in, and when you put these down on the track, they stay. It's really nice, and you can tell it's going to be, oh, look at that, it just doesn't shift, feels good. It goes on very easy. I can't do it with one hand, but I can give you the idea. You get one end started, and then you just push it in. Then you have to pull it back and do the other end, do the other end, do the other end, and it just sort of slides in. He's got them, I won't say precision, but they're very well dimensioned so that the flange of the piece will slide in and kind of snap. It's really pliable, but it does snap. And with the last one, I had to do some pulling a little bit, and I got my needle nose. I just pull them. Just be careful, you don't pull them apart, but you just pull it a littlest bit, and you can get it in, just like that. And all the rest of them will come along. And then I ohm this piece of track. I clean it. I put it in place, and we're going to be, in another 15 minutes, it's only 4:15, and I can work till 5:30, so I have 15 minutes maximum. I'm going to have this on the layout. Oh, I forgot. I've got to make, no, I don't have to make space. I just have to clip it underneath here. That's right. My clip-on. I'm going to have to, well, no, I can't if I have that plastic piece. Well, may have to delete one plastic piece. Well, but it's easy to do. You just push it down and slide it out. So wherever that ends up, that'll be fine. We'll get there. But Austin, Berkeley, unbelievable. You underestimated or you understated how well this worked. I don't know. You were telling me, oh, I got it. You want to try it? Yeah. And I really didn't get to it right away. I was working on other things, but I am impressed. I am thoroughly impressed. This is really well designed, and these pieces absolutely work. They just slide in under the track, and then they're there, and they stay. Once you get the track pushed in, boom, it's over. Really well done, well designed. He has I got different kinds of this stuff, but I know he's perfected this since I've gotten this batch. So his soft rubber printing is better quality of filament. But boy, the fit and everything, and it goes so fast. I mean, and it's satisfying. I was cleaning my track, making sure everything was good, had my continuity, checked my pins. I had a couple loose pins. I could take them out and put a kink in them and put them back in. I cleaned off the tips. It's just really great. I'm anxious to get my train on here and run it. I'll be doing that. I'm hoping I can do it before the day's out. Okay, gang, later. Austin, good job.